Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel of Meteorological Centre Gangtok. I am R.K. Chhetri, Scientific Assistant, and today I will be presenting weekly weather review and weather forecast for the next 2 weeks over Sikkim state. So the outline is as follows. Important synoptic situation observed during last week, realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim, realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters, realized weather, that is maximum, minimum and rainfall over various stations, graphical representation of minimum temperature, weather forecast for next 2 weeks and weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim state. So, important synoptic situation observed during the last week. During the last week, there was no major important significant synoptic situation that prevailed over this region. However, there was an upper air cyclonic circulation over South Bangladesh and neighborhood, which extended up to 2.1 km above mean sea level on 29 January and became less marked on the next day. Moreover, on 2nd February, there was a feeble western disturbance that was seen as a trough that ran roughly along latitude 62° east and longitude 30° north, and along latitude 66° east, longitude 26° north on 3rd of January. Next is 03 UTC surface chart. That is surface chart that was taken at 8:30 in the morning today. Then we have 0 UTC, that is 5:30 in the morning, upper air chart was drawn. And this is part 2 of the same upper air chart. Then we have the satellite image taken at 8:15 to 8:41 hours IST of today. Then we have minimum temperature 24 hours change for 4th February, that is today. Then we have realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim state. As you can see from the table, the weather was dry during the entire week in all the 4 districts and state as a whole. And realized district-wise average rainfall. So nil rainfall was recorded, so there was no rainfall during the entire week. Then we have realized weather over various important locations. As we can see from the table, the highest was 18.5 degrees, that is average maximum temperature, which was recorded at Namthang, South Sikkim, and lowest temperature 5.4 degrees Celsius, that is average, was recorded at Gangtok, and there was no rainfall in any of the stations. Then we have realized daily minimum temperature in degrees Celsius over Gangtok, Tadong and Pakyong. We can see from the graph on 29 January, Gangtok recorded lowest minimum temperature of 3.9 degrees centigrade. Then we have weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. For first week from 5th February to 11th February, and for the second from 12th February to 18th February. So coming to rainfall part, western disturbance associated light rainfall is likely over extreme north, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh during week 1. However, it will be below normal in week 1 and week 2 over the region. Then rainfall is expected over parts of the South Peninsula and some parts of northeastern India. Tamil Nadu will get rainfall during the week. Then we come to the maximum temperature part, Tmax that is. So below normal maximum temperature over west central parts, Indo-Gangetic region and parts of southern India in week 1. Only parts of northwest India and northeast India will have slightly above normal temperature. Above normal maximum temperature is likely over northwestern, eastern and northeastern belts of India in second week. Then we come to the minimum temperature part. Below normal minimum temperature over most parts of India in week 1, with large negative anomaly over Odisha and adjoining region. Week 2 also has below normal minimum temperature over most parts of India with slightly positive anomaly over western parts, northeastern parts and extreme northern India. Except over some parts of southeastern coastal belts and most of northwestern and northeastern parts of India will have positive anomaly. So weather forecast map, this is for rainfall for 2 weeks, that is week 1 5th February to 11th February and from 12th February to 18th February for second week. So this is a rainfall forecast map for 2 weeks. Then we have maximum temperature forecast for 2 weeks. Then this is the minimum temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks. Then we have weather forecast for the next 5 days and outlook for subsequent 2 days. We can see from the table on 5th February, east and north Sikkim, we are expecting rain and snow at high altitudes, which is likely to occur at 1 or 2 places. And on 6th February, we are expecting rain at low altitude and snow at high altitudes in east, west and north districts of Sikkim. And other days, the weather will remain mainly dry. So our next presentation will be on 11th of February. Thank you so much.